Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how much YouTube paid me for a video with 500 views. In my early days, I usually wanted to know how much YouTubers make on their channel, and there were no much videos then. But now that I have a face channel, I can now reveal to you guys how much YouTube paid me for 500 views. But you should know that it's usually different whenever you're creating a channel in different niches. So in the educational space, the RPM and CPM is usually high. So the RPM is how much advertisers are willing to pay. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a video I made on this channel and how much YouTube paid me for that video for 500 views. If you're new to the channel, my name is Possible, and on this channel I teach people how to grow their YouTube channel effectively and also monetize without making mistake like how I did in my early days. So I share my mistakes I made in my early days here on YouTube so you don't make the same mistake. If that sounds like something you'll be interested in, please kindly subscribe and like this video, and also share it with other creators you might know. So now, first things first, let me go into my studio. So I want to show you how much YouTube paid me for a video with 500 views. So just stick around because I'm going to be showing you a lot of data. I'm going to be showing you a lot of things that I never knew when I started YouTube. A lot of data you can check on your YouTube channel. So these are actually my videos. So first things first, let me go to the video. So this video currently has 577 views. It has around 28 watch hours. So inside that 577 people that viewed this video, I got 28 watch hours. Now the subscribers I got from this video was 5 subscribers. Now this a deep analytics of this video. If you look at the audience retention, it started with 72. It means most people were really engaged, right? It started with 72, then it started dropping around 3 minutes, that's 4 seconds. Only 44% of people were watching this video. Please guys, be watching my videos till the end though. This will help my retention. So if you notice, on the 7th minute, only 23 people were watching the video. So please guys, be watching the full video. Do not just watch half and then click off the video. It's better for you not to click at all if you know you want to watch the full video. If you look at the reach of this video, it currently had 14,000 impressions. 14,000 people saw this video and only 500 people chose to click the video. I don't know if it's my thumbnail that is making people not to click. I've tried all the possible thumbnails I can make. But still yet my click-through rate is low. You guys should be clicking my videos if you see it, so that I will have a higher impression click-through rate. So my impression click-through rate was 2.5%, which is poor. That is why this video flopped. This video flopped because I had a poor impression click-through rate. And the reason why this video even got up to 500 views was that one of my videos started picking up. Then people from that video started watching this video too. All my videos are packed with value, and if you're missing any of my videos, then you're losing so much value in it, because I make sure to pack so much value in all of my videos. So if you look at the impression click-through rate, it's 2.5%, which is poor. My views is 577 views. My unique viewers 518. Now look at where my views are coming from. Channel pages is 35%. Like I told you this video wasn't performing very well before, but as soon as one of my videos started picking up, then they started watching this video. One of my videos that I made, I said I got demonetized for inauthentic content, started blowing up. So people started checking out my other videos and they were watching this video more, and 35% of them came through channel pages. Now the next place my views were coming from was browse features. So most of my views were coming from browse features. This was the second most traffic sources. This was the second place most of my traffic sources were coming from. So if you look at my browse features, I had 19.8%, YouTube search 13.2%, end screen 11.8%, suggested videos 8.5%, others 11.8%. So most of my views were coming from channel pages and browse features. And if you look at the external sites or apps, in my previous videos I usually tell you that YouTube usually monitor where your views are coming from, right? I usually tell you that YouTube usually monitor where your views are coming from. If you're getting views from an external site, YouTube is seeing it. YouTube is seeing that your views are coming from external site. That is why it's always good for you to not promote your links on an external site. Instead, you can share them to popular social media apps like WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Share them there. But once you start sharing them on external sites, it can get your AdSense account terminated. So it's best for you to just share them on WhatsApp. So as you can see, most of my views were coming from WhatsApp. People were sharing my videos. I was not the one sharing my videos. People were sharing my videos for me. Thank you so much to everybody that shared my videos, to everyone liking the videos, and everyone commenting. I truly appreciate you guys. So if you look at my content suggesting this video, proportion of your traffic, this is where most of my traffic is coming from. Now if you look at what I said I got demonetized for inauthentic content. This is where most of my traffic came for this video. This video was performing very poorly at first. It was having around 90 views. But when this video started picking up, I got demonetized for inauthentic content, started picking up. People started watching that video because they were related. This is why you need to create related videos on your channel, so that if one of your video blows up, it will give attention to your other videos. People can start checking out your other videos. But if you're not related, once people watch one of your videos, they are just going to leave your channel, and this is going to send a bad signal to YouTube, and they might stop promoting your other videos to them. It's only that video that is going viral they are going to promote to them. But as soon as this video started blowing up, they started suggesting more of this my content. I got demonetized for reused content. They started suggesting it to them for them to watch, and of course they are going to watch it because it's related. If you got demonetized for inauthentic content, you won't want to get demonetized for reused content. So this inauthentic content video was suggesting my video. I got demonetized for live was also suggesting the video too. So that video too was also performing very well. So these faceless channels will be demonetized. That video too was suggesting this video. My search terms, these are my search terms. I'm seeing football news here. Football news is not related to this video. Okay, I think I mentioned football. I mentioned football in this video. That is why football news was showing here. I don't know. I don't think I mentioned football, but that's how the algorithm thought I mentioned football. So maybe that is what the algorithm thought, and they started pushing it to football viewers. So if you look at my engagements, if you look at, wait, I forgot to tell you guys something. If you look at my unique viewers, I was having 518 people. I mean, it's 518 people that were subscribed to my channel actually watched this video. So I want to thank you guys that came back to watch this video. People that were subscribed to my channel, they came back to watch this video, and I am super happy for that, because I don't have much subscribers, but most of my subscribers are engaged on my videos, and I am super grateful for that. Thank you so much to everybody engaging on my videos. Even some of you don't comment, but you still like the video, and I am really grateful about that. If you look at my audience, most of the people were watching from mobile phone, computer, TV, tablets, and the rest. So my top geography was Nigeria. So I'm from Nigeria, so most of the people that could relate with me were from Nigeria, but I still get UK audience. I get US audience too, but maybe they are not much. That is why it's not showing here. If you look at the geography now, you can see most of my audience are from Nigeria, because most of them in Nigeria can relate to me. So let me go back. So now for the part you guys have been waiting for, my revenue. My revenue, So this video I made $0.92. I made 92 cents from this video. That's high to me. I feel it's high because that's almost $1 for just 500 views. Now let me check the RPM. This is the CPM. So for the CPM, that is how much advertisers are willing to pay. In the beginning I said RPM, so my mistake, my bad. So if you look at the CPM of this video, I had $3.21. That's a lot. I got $3.21. That's $3. Advertisers were willing to pay $3, and most of my audience were from Nigeria, so it doesn't really matter about my audience anymore, but the value I delivered in that video and the topic alone, because your topic alone matters on YouTube. If you're talking about a topic that has to do with YouTube, the CPM is usually high. There are still some topic you talk about on YouTube that the CPM is low, but for this particular topic I think the CPM is high. That's why you're seeing my CPM this high, $3. And if you look at my RPM, I'm getting $1.59, which is high for 1,000 views. Wow. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.